Adidas International Drive Premium Outlet. It's their hash wall. Say take an additional 60% off. Lowest ticketed price. So these are crazy popular right now. Sambas. 110. Yeah, they got all of them for 120. Excuse me. Got the Messi Sambas for $69.99.
I like this.
They got all the Messi t-shirts. They got the kids. They got all the Messi joints here. They got it black. And this one got Messi on the back. That's the price. I forgot the most important thing. $130. Oh no, they say now $14.98, including store promo. No problem. These ones are said 100 on the price tag though. And these ones too.
For the River Plate is the only t-shirt?
Essa aqui já não tem mais.
Não sei, eu acho que não tem mais não. Se for pra vermelho, eu acho que já não sei.
Short.
É demais.
Jacket is fire. It's $80. Boss man, is there a promo on the jerseys?
Those ones.
No? Okay. Nope, so it's no promo on the jerseys. It's all full price. These are $150. They range from 100 to all the way up to $150. Yeah. Okay, but if you do have, okay, but for the full price ones, if you do have Adidas app and you have the points, you could use your points. But he said only for the full price items though. Yeah, they all about 150. Everybody coming in looking for grabbing a Messi. Excuse me. I like this blue. And I can't tell you that I know any of these teams or all these teams. This is 100 for that one. It's all 50% off. T-shirts are 2 for $25. See, entire store up to 50% off. More tops here. Superstar tops. These are additional 40% off. Got them in all colors. Blues, tans. These are $40 and you take an additional 40 off. Superstar sweatshorts. Not bad. These are additional 60% off.
Eu gostei de fazer a camisa, devolvi. Não tem blusa.
Some of these. These are $80. Take an additional 50% off. $75 with additional 40% off. Excuse me, boss. It's a women's t-shirt. This is hard, bro. $35, additional 40% off. More superstar sets. $35 with additional 40% off. I think that's everything for in here. It's the Adidas Factory Outlet, the premium outlets in Orlando on International Drive. Right across from the Nike.